Today I'm here with Sicelo Mabaso. Sicelo mfethu kuhamba kanjani?
Siyaphila mfethu.
Siyabonga mfethu. Sicelo Mabaso plays the character of Usamkelo, right?
Yes, that's correct.
Yes. So tell me, my brother, Samkelo has been at the center of some of the show's most emotionally charged storylines, right? How do you, as Sicelo, protect yourself emotionally when the character that you play goes through an intense trauma?
I think mfethu ukuthi ngiqale ngiphendule to just give my most honest answer. I think training in the arts is what has helped me most, because more than anything mfethu we are trained professionals,
Yes.
sifundele lento. So those rigorous classes, those rigorous exercises mfethu sitshenwa ukuthi remember that you have to get into the character now, breath work, yabona. How does the character breathe? How do you breathe? All those things. In fact, so how does the scene taste? How does it smell? What are those senses that you're taking in? When you are in that box and ready to play.
So the techniques that you learned there as a trained actor is what helps you separate yourself emotionally and protect yourself emotionally when your character goes through these hard times.
Absolutely. And also just remaining true to who you are, mfethu, is one of the things that helps you get through those situations where you have to play like that and the character leans towards things that are traumatic. So remembering who you are, staying grounded, or trying to remind yourself. For me, mfethu, gym is one of those things, mfethu, that just every morning before I come to set, I go there. It reminds me ukuthi ngubani mina personally.
I remembered a film where Michael B. Jordan,
Yes.
he was playing in Black Panther. So he had to take therapy for him to actually get out of that role and clear his mind. And you saying you used de-rolling. It's what it's called. Oh, right. Because it was affecting him emotionally.
Yes. That moment to, leave the character and remember who you are, So for me, mfethu, it's just really remembering ukuthi mina nguba, or trying to constantly remind myself who am I? A DJ, a person who loves
That
gym.
Is so powerful that you say that.
Yeah.
Because a lot of people don't know who they are themselves.
Yes.
Assuming that's how easily they get lost into the character.
Yeah.
And it starts affecting them in their real lives.
Yeah.
It's powerful that you say that, my brother. So you recently acted, you recently started being part of the cast of Generation.
Yes.
How has Generation affected or changed you since being started?
First and foremost, it's like Generations, this opportunity has been life-changing for me, It's been a long time coming, to be in spaces where I'm with people of my tribe the way that I am when I'm in this space, a second time. And for me, I'm grateful to be here, and it's the beginning for me personally, So it's changed me because I would sometimes even reference the smallest things, Zoguti, the time that I wake up now. I was always waking up early,
Okay.
But now there's a longing that I have to just be the best when I'm here with people that I know also prepare and bring their A game, So that's now even changed my sleeping pattern, yabo. I've even taken it down by an hour now, yabo. So ngisho ukuthi, like, I was waking up early, but now I've even shifted it to another hour earlier, because I just wanna have that time in the morning to myself. Ukuthi ngithi, Celo, you're about to go into a space now where you're gonna play. Remember who you are and remember Uguti, how long it's taken you to be where you are. So a couple of things have changed, and I'm grateful for the changes that I'm seeing,
Your character, Samkelo, his journey is layered, right? He's flawed, he's vulnerable, he's strong at times. Is there a trait of his that you learned to understand rather than just immediately relate to?
I believe it's, and I think Uguti, one of the major traits that I've had to learn, or one of the major traits that I think are kind of like a big difference between me and Usam is the fact that he's overly liberal in a sense, Uguti. Like
Oh,
he's just, yeah, like his spiritual grounding is not as strong as I think my spiritual grounding is. Yabo. That's one of the
okay.
major differences that we have. Mfethu.
Right.
Zokuthi nje, yeah, fanele ukuthi understand ukuthi not everybody is spiritually connect the
Yes.
way that you are, and we are different. Everybody has their different ways of working around things, and people have their different ways of working around things, and you
Right.
must just understand ukuthi the character also has his.
Yes.
Yabo?
Yes. Oh,
Yeah,
wow. That is incredible.
yeah.
Lastly, my brother, what would scare you the most? Leaving a character behind or being defined by that character forever? If people
Um,
only recognize you as Usamgelo.
yeah, I think that's a challenge that we face as actors. Ukuthi
Really?
mfethu, when you throw yourself into something, like when you really throw yourself into something and the
Yes,
world
yes.
just they receive it and they believe it, you can really be defined by that specific character, But then on the other side of it, would you not put your best foot forward?
True.
you
You
know
would. You
would you
would.
not put your best foot forward?
Yes.
Because I feel like if you're worrying about what's not there yet, and that's stopping you from putting your best foot forward, then what are you doing?
So are you trying to tell us that you would much rather prefer that you would be defined by that specific role rather than you leaving it behind? You'd much rather prefer that.
As a preference, I would prefer to leave it behind, you know to leave it
Ah,
behind, because if it to be honest, we are supposed to be chameleons. We are chameleons. Given the opportunity, when it comes, and it's gonna come for me
yes.
to step into another character, I'll throw myself into that character as well. Yabo, so that performance yami in that specific new character won't
Yes.
now be defined by the other character that I played.
That is
So
that is yes.
so it's really just throwing yourself into the character, and then when the time does come for me to really step into something else, I have to have that moment where I de-roll, where I
Yes.
take time to be like, you know what, nah, I gave Sam my best.
Mhm.
Now I have to step into this new character.
Wow.
Kufuneka ngizinezele isikhathi sokuthi yazi ukuthini, angikhohlwe indlela engimdlale ngayo Sam, but now let me focus on this character. And if I'm focused on this character, the world is going to be focused on the character.
Mm.
Yabo. Lento
Mm.
iqala la kuwena mfethu ukuthi are you
True.
focused? Yabo. Because
Mm.
nathi as actors, well, some actors do enjoy that, being defined by a specific character.
Yes.
They do enjoy ukuthi how nguSam, aningiboni zikhona uSam la.
True.
Aniboni
True.
zikhona uSam la. Kumele kushintshe izinto la. You get what
Yes,
I'm
I
saying?
get you,
So
man. I get you.
yeah, it's just one of those things that if you're focused, the audience will be focused. I
Right.
believe it like that.
As we believe it like that.
Mm.
Okay, man. Thank you so much for having this
Yeah,
conversation with me,
yeah,
man. I
yeah,
really
yeah.
appreciate it. This was great. This was a great talk. You
Thank you,
gave me some
man.
very insightful answers.
Yeah.
I got to
Thank you so
learn a lot
much.
about you as a person.
Thank you so much,
Yeah, and
man.
I seem like a very cool guy.
Yeah, I know. Thank you so much, Quince. Thank you so much,
Yeah, man.
Quince.
For many South Africans, Generation hasn't just been a show, it's been a constant, a backdrop to family dinners, heated debates, laughters, heartbreaks, and everything in between. That kind of cultural impact is rare. To everybody who's been part of Generation Past and Present, we thank you for shaping a lasting piece of South African television history and for reminding us the power of local storytelling. And for you that's watching, if you enjoyed these kind of conversations and want more in-depth, thoughtful discussions about South African film and television, make sure you subscribe and join the community. I'm Quinton. Until next time.